So from here, I'm going to migrate this to a AR setup. So by default with AR Foundation, we can create a very simple AR scene. So I created a simple scene, just added a AR session, origin and AR session. So you have the default AR camera. So the principle of any AR scene is that you don't touch the camera itself. Camera should be always in 000 position, looking at the direction. So wherever you are in your camera or your PC, it's normally a black scene. You can actually test this in your phone. So what only thing we are going to do is we are going to bring that capsule under this camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my sample scene and copy most of my things. So I don't need this plane, of course. I need this gate and canvas, event system, coins and everything. So this is the scene contents which I need. I'm going to child this to a scene content and child all of these under here. This is not including the camera and the person yet. So I'm going to Control C and go back to my simple, of course save it, and then Control V it. Alright, so I have all my geometries embedded inside here. That's good. And I have to say save. I have to go back, and I only need to bring this capsule and the embedded scripts. So just copy this capsule, Control C, then Control V, and this will already bring all this rigid body and everything. And I'm going to just child this to my camera. Not this camera. So in the main scene, we should delete the main camera, delete, and we have this AR camera. We should use this camera, so we should child it to AR camera. That's it. So if this is deployed to your phone, this should be working fine. And now when you test it, it's showing some errors. It's because we didn't link the proper things to the script. So we have to scroll down and just do as we were doing. Just link all these things back to the correct position. So gate and the text. So the text should be under canvas and text. Alright. So when this is playing without any error, then this is ready to go. And of course we cannot test it in PC now, so we will deploy this to our phone. Actually working, but you can see that the number, the text is in a weird position. It's because I forgot to align it to the corner. So you can see that how the alignment is quite important here. Yeah, but pretty much everything else is working very well.